This is NDTV and you are watching NDTV Prime.
Welcome to India's Small Giant Season 2, powered by Vodafone Business Services in association with Standard Chartered Bank. We often hear about second generation and third generation entrepreneurs who have inherited business from their family members and others. We move on now to the healthcare segment where Mr. Pankaj Narula, a second generation entrepreneur, took up his father's company, which was a small operation in instruments, and converted it into India's largest operation for infra automation solutions in the healthcare segment.
SNG was founded by our father and his brothers in 1953. They realized that healthcare is a space where there's a lot of vacuum. There are not enough technologies available in India. There were not enough good products and medical supplies available in India. And he wanted to venture into that space. So there were very few takers who understood what healthcare technology meant. It was all about supplies, like scissors and instrumentations and consumables. He had to work very hard to make them understand that Indian healthcare space needs newer technologies to be able to deliver to patients and people who needed real health care. And that was one of the most difficult tasks he faced. But over the years, he was able to convince Indian healthcare givers to adapt and adopt newer technologies into their healthcare systems. Me and my brother were quite young to join our father. My brother continued his education in Delhi itself and he joined my father. And when I came back in early 1990s, I also joined my father and we took up the business. We walked through a rough patch during that period, and over the years Puneet and I consolidated the entire business, reorganized the entire business and took it forward from there. We started off with supplies, business, consumables, and today we are a healthcare infrastructure solutions providers. We create automation, we deliver automation to hospitals itself to automate their healthcare logistics, which is about 90% of hospitals' operations. It was a subject which was largely ignored, and we are the only organization in India that offers healthcare automation within the hospital spaces. Indian healthcare hospitals have adopted the best technologies in the world. Today we have the best hospitals. That is why the focus is towards India in terms of healthcare tourism. But there were certain segments within the hospitals that were ignored, like intra-hospital logistics. So this is an area where we ventured into. There was a large vacuum. We spent about 10 years of educating customers in this void and gap and make them understand why technology was needed in this area. SNG is a brand that is built on our hard work of 62 years. It signifies quality, it signifies hard work, it signifies the best healthcare solutions to our customer. We are the only Indian organization that has established a team of dedicated people, right from concept, design, post-sales services, customer care. We have also earmarked part of our investment for CRM, a software that is being developed especially for our organization. And this CRM is also going to have an open platform for our customers to interact with us online real time. Way back in early 2000, when our organization introduced pneumatic tube system to one of our customers, to whom we tried to make understand why pneumatic tube systems should be adopted in his hospital, while using the European and American reasons why pneumatic tube systems are there, which is saving on portering costs. And when the customer asked me how much it cost me, he threw the papers back at me and he said, "Do you know how many people I can hire for that kind of money in India?" And that was a challenge to me. And so we went back to the hospital and we personally spent about 2 weeks trying to understand the intra-hospital logistics. And we realized there is so much pneumatic tube system could offer, like critical lifetime it could save when emergency samples need to be transported to labs, many reasons. And then when we went back to the hospital with new reasons, they instantly adopted it and they procured the system. My advice is there is no shortcut. You have to work hard, you have to be dedicated, and you have to be focused. If you have these three things, everything will fall in place.
We've come to the end of today's episode, but most of us who are second generation entrepreneurs know it's quite challenging to take on the mantle of your business from your father or from your family and turn it into a very successful operation, much bigger than what it was when you received it. But the one thing that actually comes with being a second generation business operator is the support. Tremendous amount of support from your family, but with a lot of expectations too. So you hang in there and we'll see you next week, same channel. Till then, this is Vinod Kumar saying bye to you.